Today, I will teach you how to make a small bow that can be worn with multiple of them at the same time as an embellishment in the hair. It's very simple. Let's give it a try. Let's have a try. We use 2 widths of ribbon. Our import volume segment comes in many colors. We're doing purple today. Then there is the pink one. We used 0.9 centimeters wide and 0.6 centimeters wide. Let's make it now 0.9 centimeter wide and 0.6 centimeter wide. And the idea is the same. What I'm using now is 0.9 centimeter wide, folded in half. It's very simple. Then find the sides of the midline and return it. The little tails on the sides are aligned. This distance is about 4 centimeters. A little bit of glue for fixing. Then with our waistline, then use the 3 centimeters we cut. Just wrap and paste it. Isn't it very simple? Isn't that very easy? This is a bow made of 0.9 centimeter ribbon. Then we make another 0.6 centimeter wide ribbon. Fold in half as well. Find the midline. Then the small tails on both sides are attached back. Just fine-tune it. 2 small tails of equal length. The span is comfortable, and this one is 0.6 centimeter wide. What I left is about 3 centimeters in length. It is also a little glue to fix it. In this way, the bow body is ready. Then we make a waist for it with a length of 2 centimeters. It is also pasted and wrapped back. Isn't it super simple? Isn't it extremely easy? You can make the size you like. Select ribbons of different widths. Then we can attach these super cute and mini small duckbill clips to it. So it's invisible because it is hidden in the hair. Can't tell its clip is in top condition. We stick it directly on the back. So a little bow is ready. Then it can't be seen when it's sandwiched between the hair on the sides.